Is your 2016 Honda Odyssey's alarm randomly activating? It's a common issue, often linked to three main culprits: the sliding door switch, the key fob, and the vehicle battery. The alarm system integrates with the body control module, or BCM, which monitors various sensors throughout the vehicle. A faulty sliding door switch, due to wear or misalignment, can falsely signal a security breach to the BCM. Similarly, a weak key fob battery or signal interference can cause the BCM to receive unreliable signals, leading to erratic alarm behavior. Finally, a low vehicle battery can create voltage fluctuations that mimic sensor failures, triggering false alarms. Quickly checking these components can often resolve the problem. As of 2025, extended warranties may cover sliding door issues. Start by inspecting the sliding door switch for dirt or damage. Ensure the door closes completely to prevent false alarm triggers. Try replacing the key fob battery with a CR2032 type. Also check for signal interference that might cause unreliable signals and false alarms. A weak vehicle battery is another prime suspect. Test its voltage using a multimeter. It should read above 12.4 volts to prevent voltage fluctuations that mimic sensor failures. For DIY fixes, replace the sliding door switch using part number 7285-TKA1 following YouTube tutorials. If not comfortable with DIY, have a dealer reprogram the key fob using Honda's HDS software or address BCM issues. Remember, TSB 16001, updated in 2024, targets alarms from the sliding door latch assembly. Professional diagnosis is recommended to avoid further complications or voiding warranties.